rigidity modulus. Now it's defined like that m equal to 2 mg RL by pi r to the power 4 theta, where m is the mass, that means here it is written, that is in these apparatus the torque is supplied uh, by hanging a weight of mass capital M from the string wound round a pulley of radius r, and capital A, that is a small mirror is attached on the rod at a distance L from the fixed end. A telescope and the scale arrangement is set up at a distance capital D, which is 1 meter from the mirror. The telescope is focused at the reflected image of the scale in the mirror. Okay, so now smaller is the radius of the rod, that is metallic rod, that is the experimental rod, and L with the distance of the mirror from the fixed end. Now at first, if you see the simulation page, then it is better to understood that. Now actually the setup is like that. Actually this one is your experimental rod, that is cylindrical rod, and this is the scale arrangement, that is a microscope, and this is your fixed end, and that is a mirror which is say 25 centimeter distance from the fixed end to the mirror distance. And this one is your free end. At the free end the load is applied, and when the load is applied, the angle of twist occurred in that experimental rod. Okay, now when the rod is twisted, the mirror is also be rotated, so the reflected image also be changes to. Now if the angle of this angle of twist changes theta, that is the reflected plane, if the changes theta, then the reflected image should be changes to theta. Okay, so that the formula, in the working formula, here at first written 2 mg RL by pi r to the power 4 theta, but rotated by an angle theta, the reflected image will be rotated by 2 theta. So the linear shift of this image S is equal to 2 theta d. So replace this theta by S by 2d. Then the formula is modified, and then we get 4 mg R L d by pi r to the power 4 S. Okay. So here basically the capital R, that is radius of the pulley, is constant or say the fixed. Small l, that is distance the mirror from this fixed end, that is also fixed, that is set at 25 centimeter. Capital D, that is distance of the mirror to the scale, that is also fixed, that is 1 meter. And smaller, that is radius of the experimental rod, is also constant. Now we just apply the load at this hanger, and how much changes, that is a linear shift that we measure from this scale reading. Okay, it's very easy experiment. There is no is a vernier scale, only one meter scale, and also there is a no need to focus any tip of this pointer. Just apply the load and change of this reading should be taken from the scale. Okay, and the table that is containing the similar kind of table which is already done in the previous day, but here basically the starting load is 500 gram. So at this starting load when applied 500 gram, the increasing in weight M is written A 0. That is your reference. Okay. With respect to this, when we applied the load step by 100 gram, that is the next load is 600 gram. So increasing load is 100 gram. Next, when you apply the 700 gram, the increased load is 200 gram. When 800 gram, it is 300 gram. So like that, it increased continuously up to 1200 load is applied, so increasing load is 7. So similarly you take the reading for increasing mode and also the decreasing mode. So now we take the reading by applying the load. Now at first choose the material of the rod. Suppose we choose brass or say aluminium, any of these. So you choose brass. Okay, now position of the telescope is fixed. Now this scale is seen in the aperture of this microscope, sorry, telescope. Now the mirror distance fixed is 25 centimeter. It's fixed. Radius of the metal rod set 3 millimeter is also fixed. Radius of the pulley, that means radius pulley, this radius, that is the radius of the pulley. Okay, capital R is fixed at 5 centimeter. Now the mass of the weight anchor starting is 500 grams, so it's set at 0.5 kg. So at the mass of the weight anchor 0.5 kg, now the reading should be taken from this scale. Now this is a meter scale, so each division is zero point 0.1 centimeter. So suppose it is 12, we considering the right side because right side increases and upward. Now when the load is applied, the twist according to angle of twist, the change is linear shift along upward. So we take or we considering the right side of the scale. So it is 12, next one 12.1, next one 12.2, 12.3, 12.4. So at the value when the load is handled is 0.5 kg, the value of this reading is 12.4. So we take this reading and write in the manual here is 12.4. Okay. Similarly, for the next value, when you apply the load step by step increase by 100 grams, so next value will be zero point 0.6 kg. So the reading will also be changes. Right now it is 12.9. So we take this value and right here 12.9. 12.9. Okay. For the next value, again you apply the load, it's 0.7 kg. So changes, it's also 13.4 is considering 30.4. If the horizontal mark, actually when we take reading, is considering this horizontal mark. The position of the horizontal mark on this scale, you take the reading. Suppose the horizontal is, lies between two consecutive division of the scale. So we take which one is crossed this horizontal mark. We take this reading as your scale reading. Okay. So right now it's very much close to this 13.4. So we take 13.4 is the reading. So we write again this one on the next value 13.4. Okay. Now suppose just I demonstrate only three observation. So after taking this 13.4 for the decreasing mode, you will again repeat this thing or this reading and the decreasing mode. After that, we lose the weight, release the weight step by step is similar way. That is zero point 0.7 kg. After that, you weight applied zero point 0.6 kg. Now reading also be changes. Reading is right now it's 12.9. So you again write here for the decreasing mode and the same value of load for 600 gram. The increasing load is 100 gram is 12.9. Now reading may be same or may be different for the both mode increasing and decreasing. The reading that you take or that you got, you write here. Either it is same or it's different, you write here. Similarly, for again the load release and set at 0.5 kg, the reading is right now 12.4. So you write again this one, the table 12.4. Okay. So that is a method for taking the reading or say the according to your observation, you write the reading in that increasing and decreasing. Next, the mean. Mean means the average of these two value, increasing and decreasing mode. That is the same value for increasing and decreasing. So reading of this average is same. So we write 12.4 centimeter. Next value is also the average is same. That is 12.9 centimeter. Next is 13.4 centimeter. Okay. Now value of the shape S is 0 for the first increasing load when in 0. Now for the next value, the difference between x1 minus x0, that is difference between x1 minus x0. So 12.9 minus 12.4, that is 0.5. Okay. Similarly for the next 12 point, that is 13.4 minus 12.4, x2 minus x0, 13.4 minus 12.4, that is what is 1. Okay. 1.0. Right. So that is a method for taking the reading and calculate the value of the shift, linear shift. Okay. So we take all the or you take all the readings along with this table, that is the 8 observation, and then after that you plot the graph along y-axis the this value of this shift S, that is here it is along y-axis which is in centimeter, and our x-axis applied load. Applied load is basically not this one. Basically here the applied load, that is x-axis taking this one, that is starting from 0 100, 200, 300, 400. So the x-axis taking this increasing in weight n. Okay, not this one. We get a similar kind of graph as you got for the previous day experiment, de Young's modulus, that is straight line passing to the origin, and choose the point from this line other than the experimental point. Then the value of this coordinate for S and M is put in the working formula, that's M and S. Another value are small g, capital L, D are the same. So then we calculate the value of N. Okay, so that is a method. It's very easy experiment. So I think you understood well. But if it is not understood well, so you can tell me if you have any doubt. Students, is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?